Hi everyone, welcome to the 5-minute alchemy upgrade. So here we are going to look at whether you have fully integrated any suffering, any big challenges that you've lived through in your life, any pain that you still carry from these experiences. So when these experiences are integrated, they convert into power and they become your empowerment, they grow you in self-confidence, and they activate greater skills. But when they are unintegrated, they continue to shape us in resonance with the original painful life experience. And vibrationally, that draws in more experiences at the same frequency. They're also very draining energetically when we hold them as wounds because they take up a lot of vital force which could be used to create new positive experiences instead. So when you're ready, if you'd like to just sit comfortably, just breathe naturally. Bring your attention to your heart and just tune into this work. So we are calling in your spirit teams, and we're asking that they help us identify all the areas within you that are still held as wounds or suffering, and assist us in the conversion process. So teams, we will be using the term suffering to indicate any kind of trauma or shock or pain or challenges that you've held in your system which come from this life or from your ancestors or from your past lives or from parallel versions of you in parallel realities. We're going to use the term wisdom to mean a conversion to power, empowerment, creativity, depth, and maturity. So teams, please open a divine and cosmic crystalline matrix and place it around all the parts of our being that are still held as wounds and suffering. Please begin by clearing any interference or any resistance or any blocks to converting this suffering into wisdom. Please open and place us in the Phoenix and cosmic grids. These are great earth and star grids, which we use when we need to clear something very deep. So we activate these grids for the purpose of converting all patterns of suffering into wisdom. Teams, please release all the old inner identities and inner archetypes which are attached to our old suffering. Now please rotate the energies of the 6 core crystals of the Phoenix grid: Mount Shasta, Antarctica, the Sphinx, Table Mountain, Glastonbury, and Uluru, for maximum conversion of all suffering into wisdom. Please work at the deepest levels of light, multidimensionally, through all layers, levels, dimensions, timeframes, and realities. Throughout all anchor points within our whole multidimensional matrix and triple aspects. Now please activate the cosmic grid, the stellar grid of light, to completely upgrade and convert all the suffering frequencies that we held in our energetic system and transmute them into wisdom, into power, into strength, into experience. Please activate new inner identities and inner archetypes which support the new being that we choose to be now. Please let this conversion feed into our beliefs, shifting our thoughts, shifting our emotions, and shifting our behaviors. And please continue to run this conversion for as long as is needed. We activate this work, we anchor it, and we thank the teams. It is done. All right, guys, I will see you again here next week for another alchemy upgrade.